Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to bring you guys a tablescape, which I'm going to do a tablescape with using Tiffany Blue with a hint of color for spring. I'm going to start by using this beautiful tablecloth. You guys can see how gorgeous this is. So I'm gonna see if I could do something with it. But I want it to be a Tiffany blue, even though this is not Tiffany blue. This is a baby blue. But I'm going to combine it. You guys know how I am. I like to do my tablescapes different. But yes, guys, I'm going to be using this tablecloth. And guys, this is Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. I believe this week we do not have a guest. They usually have guests at least 1 or twice a month. So I'm going to start with that. Then I don't know if I'm going to use these placemats. What do you guys think? No. I think I'm going to fold this and use some napkins. So no placemat, guys. I really don't know because the blue is so different. All right, let's take that one out. Let's experiment. I want it to be more Tiffany blue, so let's go with this one. This is not a tablecloth, but I'm going to make it work. So I think I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, this is more like a Tiffany blue color. So this one is going to be, it has a little stain here, but you're not gonna see that by the time I'm done. All right, guys, I'm not gonna use placemats because I don't have placemats for it. But I'm going to use my cardboard chargers, which here they are. See, it's a little bit of a different blue, but it goes more together than anything. So I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. So that's how we do. We experiment. So I think I'm going to use this as a runner. So let me fix that for you guys and I'll bring you right back. This is how I'm going to let it out. So I'm going to move on and put the plates. I am using, I'm using these plates. These ones are, oh, I cannot even read them. But this with this nice little flower. I'm going to use clear plates for the center. My bread and butter plate. And to bring it together, I'm going to use my little fruit bowls, which are like this. It's in the shape of a flower. All right, guys. like so. Let me just share. I want to place some greenery. Place some greenery because it's a spring style table. Guy, I really don't know where I'm going with this. I'm just putting stuff on the table. Let me put my utensils, and then I'm gonna bring you guys back. I decided to take my yellow garland and intertwine it with my flower garland, my spring flower garland. So put that in the middle to bring the yellow color there is at the napkins to make it blend in. So I'm still haven't put on my curly and my glass. So let's do that, guys. I'm going to be using silver utensils. Let me place that for you guys on the table. So let me place that for you guys, and I'm going to show you a little bit of more progress, guys. You guys seen these glasses before, so I'm going to be using the same glass. I hope you guys are doing good. For some of you guys that care about my daughter's doing better. We still haven't have a donor, but I know that eventually God will come through. He always does. He always does, guys. Gotta have faith. Okay. Let me take these little ones out for now. I am looking for another set of candles. I want to put more candles on the table. I'm going to put the ones that I created from the Dollar Tree. These are battery operated candles, so I want to put this one close to the flower arrangement. I would, well, one went on, but I will light them up better. Guys, I think I'm done. All I need is my centerpiece. Oh, and I want to put my little birds because, like I said, it's a spring table. Let me grab that for you guys. All right, guys, let me grab my flower arrangement. I don't know if I need to put it in another place to give a height. But here's my flower arrangement. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I'm telling you, once you place the flower arrangement, the table comes alive. I think that's all, guys. I think that's all. I have no teapot today on the table, but if maybe I will, because you guys know that that's what my signature is. I love putting a teapot on my table. Let me go here, grab one from my collection, and put this beautiful teapot. You guys can see. Teapot. So I will place it right here. I think I want to give it a little bit of height. So, all right, guys, I'm going to turn off the lights and light up the candles and give you the tour all the way around, okay? Let me grab a lighter. Okay, here is my table. Sorry about the movement. Let me bring you guys down and show you all the way around the table, guys. I hope you guys can see. There is my beautiful table using Tiffany Blue. Here is my flower arrangement from the top. Isn't it beautiful, guys? I love it. I love it. I hope you guys like it as much as I enjoy putting it together for you guys. I put my little spring birds. Here's one. It's looking to the other side. I will bring you guys around. There are some birds on the flowers that you guys can see because it is a spring tablescape, guys. There she is. There are the little birds right there. They look so real, guys. All right, let me turn on the light. Look at those beautiful birds, guys. Look at them. They look so real. They look absolutely beautiful. And guys, there are multiple birds around the flower arrangement. And that's what it's looking like from the top. Guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Turn on the light. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.